hypnotized. She's pretty, look into her eyes. They tell 1,000 stories of the past. Some of the memories she wish she didn't have. She's brave like her mind. She's a woman.
Hi everybody. I hope everybody is doing well, and I hope everybody is having a blessed day. Have you ever noticed how your body relaxes the moment you step into nature? Your shoulders soften, your breath deepens, your mind quiets almost without permission. This isn't coincidence, it's biology. Today we are exploring the neuroaesthetic power of nature and how biophilic design to use it to cultivate calm by speaking directly to the brain. Neuroaesthetics is the study of how the brain responds to beauty, how shapes, colors, nervous system, and sense of well-being. And here is the key insight. The human brain evolved in nature. For over 99% of our history, our senses were shaped by flowing water, rustling leaves, shifting forms, earthly textures. So when we encounter these elements today, our nervous system recognizes them as safe. In modern environments, our brains are consistently overstimulated. Sharp angles, artificial lighting, screens, noise, rigid geometry. These elements activate the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response. When we experience natural elements, the brain releases serotonin, mood stability, dopamine, gentle pressure, oxytocin, safety, and connection. At the same time, cortisol, our stress hormones, drops. This shift activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the state of rest, repair, and calm. Biophilic design is the practice of intentionally weaving nature into our built environments, not as decoration, but as neuro-emotional nourishment. Is based on one simple truth. Human thrives when they feel connected to the natural world. And that connection can happen anywhere. Homes, office, schools, hospitals, even small apartments. Key elements of biophilic calm. Natural light. Sunlight regulates our circadian rhythm. It improves sleep, mood, focus, and energy. Soft indirect lights mimic dawn and dusk signals of safety to the brain. Organic shapes and fractals. Nature rarely uses straight lines. Curves, asymmetry, and fractal patterns like leaves or waves are easier for the brain to process. They reduce mental fatigue and create visual ease. Natural materials, wood, stone, linen, clay. These textures ground us physically and emotionally. They offer subtle sensory feedback that tells the brain you are present and you are safe. Living elements, plants, don't just purifying air. They provide micro moments of restoration. Even brief glances at greenery have been shown to reduce anxiety, improve focus, lower blood pressure. Sound and movement, flowing water, wind through trees, shadows moving across a wall. Gentle and predictable movements keeps the brain engaged without overstimulation, a state known as soft fascination. Soft fascination is what happens when something holds your attention effortlessly, like watching cloud drift, leaves swaying, waves rolling in. Your mind stays alert but relaxed. This is where creativity emerges. Emotional regulation improves. Mental clarity returns. Biophilic spaces recreate these experiences indoors. This is why this matters more than ever. We spend nearly 90% of our lives indoors, disconnected from nature. The nervous system stays chronically activated. This leads to burnout, anxiety, sensory overload, emotional numbness. Biophilic design isn't a luxury, it's a form of preventive mental care, a quiet reminder to the brain, you belong here, you are part of something living. Nature doesn't demand attention, it invites presence. Through biophilic design, we are not just decorating spaces, we are restoring a lost dialogue between the human brain and the natural world. And in that dialogue, calm is not forced, it's remembered. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you, and I love you all. Goodbye.